Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Coins and stamps to watch. I bought a few stamps recently and we'll do a quick unboxing. So I know it's a nice one. See look at the stamp. It's a nice New Zealand stamp. Okay, see what this one. I bought a few stamps recently, so I will see. I know it will be an interesting thing. It's a nice addition to my collection. And of course, firsthand we will see what they are. So I don't know what this one is as well. I think I bought 3 or 4 things online, and let's see what what is this. Oh wow, okay, wow, okay, nice one, eh? See what is this? Okay, we'll start off with this one. Oh, it's very hard to peel up. Okay, so we'll start with this. This is a coronation medal of King Edward VIII from 1937. He's the one who abdicated the throne for a lady, or for the love of his life, I guess. So he's been a king for a year, but he abdicated, which is amazing, eh? I mean, you're a king, and then you abdicate the throne for, of course, the love of your life. That's amazing. So here we are. See the crown portrait of King Edward VIII, and the legends surrounding it. Edward VIII, King and Emperor. The date below is 1937. I do believe it have a ribbon, but this one doesn't have a ribbon. So yes, okay. Crowned Westminster, May 12, 1937. But of course, it didn't happen because he abdicated the throne. So here we go. I think it's made of aluminum, and it's a nice one. See, aluminum. The diameter is 28.5 millimeters. Okay, nice one. And then this one is a banknote from Transnistria, 1,000 ruble, and we can see it's 1994 on 1992. I think the 1992 is the stamp. It's rare, eh? It's price is $8 US, and it have an affix adhesive stamp. And yeah, I've seen it in the numismatics.com, and the rarity index is 91, so that means it is rare, meaning the these banknotes with stamps. So try to have a look at the back. It's also secured. The one that I bought collections or banknotes, coins, and even well, not mostly stamps. I have a lot of stamps already, so I no need to to buy, unless probably I really like the stamp. But I have most of it. So the one that I bought it from is a dealer, a coin dealer, stamp dealer, a collectibles dealer. So look at it, very nice, eh? It's uncirculated. Wow. See the portrait of I think this is Vladimir Lenin, and this one, the stamp, I think it's a general, Alexander something. I forgot the name, but yeah, he's a general. Very nice one, eh? So yeah, nice addition to to my collection, I guess. Yeah. See, All right. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you like these collectibles that I have for you to see or to watch. All right. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day. Oh.